The shofar blow on Zion. Zion, the holy mountain chosen by God, is the location of prayer, the world center of worship of God. In the past weeks, we've been fighting for the permission to blow the shofar on the Temple Mount, as Prophet Joel taught us. Unfortunately, we received a denial of our request. We were turned down, we got a negative answer. The Israeli police are not allowing people who are not Muslims to blow the shofar on Temple Mount. We've been surrounding the Temple Mount walls and blowing the shofar at its gates. We blew the shofar opposite the Temple Mount on the east, on the Mount of Olives. We blew the shofar right near the Tribes Gate, where the Israeli paratroopers entered and conquered and united Jerusalem in 1967. This week, on Tuesday, September 1, at 5:30 p.m. Israel time, we will be blowing the shofar at the Golden Gate, the Gate of Mercy, the gate that we're praying will be opened and will bring the mercy of God to humanity. And from there, we're going to be calling all people to sign a petition, calling out to the Israeli government, calling out to the leadership of the world. Let the shofar blow on Zion. Allow us to worship God and to call out to God and to sound the holy, divine sound of the shofar on His chosen place, Zion. Shalom from Jerusalem.